Hello students. In the previous lectures, we had been learning about concave mirrors, convex mirrors, image formation by these mirrors, and the use of mirror formula and magnification to locate the position, nature and size of image or some different variables which are not given in the question. Now today we will see what are the different uses of spherical mirrors. To start with, let us see the first use of a concave mirror. It is used as a reflector in headlights or flashlights. The property of a concave mirror is that whenever any light falls on the concave mirror from its focus becomes a parallel beam. So this property is used in reflectors. So if it is asked in the exams that what are the uses and represent the use or explain the use with the help of a ray diagram, you may use this ray diagram, taking care that the incident rays are going from the focus towards the mirror and the reflected rays are coming from the mirror and becoming parallel to the principal axis. Another use of concave mirror is as a focusing device. You must have read also that they are used as focusing device in solar furnaces. Solar furnaces are usually those devices in which heat is produced but with the help of solar energy. Sun's energy is focused at a point. So sun is an object at infinity. Whenever light falls from an object at infinity on a concave mirror, it converges at the focus. This property of the concave mirror is used in focusing devices as in case of a solar furnace. Please take care that these two diagrams look exactly alike, but there is a difference of the arrows which are pointing. In this diagram, the arrows are pointing from the focus towards the mirror, whereas in this diagram, the arrows are pointing from the mirror towards the focus. So the direction sense makes an important role. Otherwise, your diagram would be absolutely discarded in the exam if you draw an incorrect sense of arrows. Then, third type of use for a concave mirror is, it is used as makeup mirror or shaving mirror or a dentist mirror. Because we know that whenever an object is placed between pole and focus of a concave mirror, an enlarged virtual image is formed behind the mirror. So if this kind of a use is asked to be explained with the help of a diagram, you are supposed to draw this diagram where the object is placed between the pole and focus of the concave mirror and its virtual enlarged image is found behind the mirror. Coming to the convex mirrors, we will be discussing three main uses of convex mirrors. First, it is used as a rear view mirror in the automobiles. Second, it is used as a surveillance mirror in huge shops or in big malls. It is used as a mirror for protection or to avoid accidents at the blind corners of the roads. The underlying or the basic principle behind all these uses is that it provides a wider field of view. Now, what is wider field of view? To understand this, we may look at these two diagrams comparing reflection of a ray of light through a plane mirror and reflection through a convex mirror. Here on a plane mirror, this incident ray is falling or coming from a very wide angle, and here in the convex mirror also the incident ray is coming from a very wide angle. But you can see here that the reflected ray is diverging very far away from the principal axis, whereas this reflected ray is going in front. So if the observer is looking at any object from here, then in this case he won't be able to see any object from which the light is coming from this direction, whereas if the observer is standing here and there is some object which is sending some light in this direction, the observer will be still able to see that object. It means that the observer will be able to see the objects which are at a very wider angle from the mirror. If any use is asked to be explained with the help of a ray diagram in your examination, you should draw this diagram where an object is kept anywhere in front of the convex mirror and the image is formed behind the convex mirror following two rules which I have taken. You can choose another two rays which we discussed in the rules of the ray diagrams. I have taken one ray which is falling on the convex mirror in the direction of focus. After reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Another ray I have taken is a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it appears to pass or diverge through the focus. When these two apparent rays meet at some point behind the mirror, we find a virtual image of object A, B as A dash, B dash, and this diagram would serve the purpose of showing the use of a convex mirror as a surveillance mirror or as a rear view mirror or as a road safety mirror. In all the cases, you can draw the same ray diagram.